Welcome back, everybody. We're doing another review today. We're doing a blower from the Cheng company. And first of all, don't get the wrong idea. When they're saying fuel, there is no actual fuel like gas. This is an electric blower. It's running on a 40-volt system. That's just what they're calling their system, is fuel system. So it is a larger than average blower. I've been watching some videos on it. It looks like it's pretty good. We're going to check it out. We're going to open up this box and take a look at what comes with it, and that'll be in the next scene. Here's just a quick look at how it comes packed. Just wanted to show that everything is in plastic bags to prevent it from getting scratched in shipping. And I'm pretty sure there is a charger inside that box. And probably, well, what is this? Okay, that's just the front of the blower. Just wanted to show everything's in bags and protected. And we'll get it all out of the table now. Okay, so here's everything that you get, kind of all jammed here on the table. There's the big main unit. It's looking pretty awesome. Look inside there. You got this cage here. And I don't know if you can see the fan. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But under there, it comes with the instruction book, of course, and then it comes with the tubes. And what I like here, I'm seeing right away, is that it doesn't push and twist. It pushes in clips. See here? Push and clip. And that's easier than push and twist. Trust me. Anyway, here you got, it comes with a double charger and 2 batteries, because it runs on 2 batteries at once. I think we can get a look at the intake there. See there? Both batteries go in there, and that's how they're achieving 40 volts, is by attaching 2 20 volts in series. But what's great about the charger is that it'll charge both of them at the same time. It's a great idea. Then you have extra tips that go on the end of the main tube there. It's got the concentrator tip on there, the way it ships. And this one's a wider spread. And this one is curved, and that can help for especially like water applications to move it all along. Anyway, here's a look at the switch. I suppose I'm gonna have to charge it up before I can actually demonstrate this. So looks like we will put everything on the charger, and I will show the rest of that at the yard. Oh yes, and this thing right here, this is a shoulder strap. It's all folded up there. It's not really heavy. I don't think it really needs a shoulder strap, but I'm just pointing it out because I forgot to, and if you want it, it's there. Okay, so actually before we head out, we're gonna give this a quick test and go over the features. I was just trying it out a little bit, and it's quite strong. So this is how it works. There's no trigger. You're just using this dial, and the dial has 6 speeds on it. And there's no safeties or anything, because it's a blower. It's safe. And so what you do is you just dial, there's 6 speeds on this roller here. That's speed 1. And on top of that, you've got this turbo button on here. So wait till you see this, or hear this. Let me tell you, that is a lot of thrust. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to blow it up against these rocks. I did this already, and yeah, it does it. It's got that kind of thrust. Watch this. So you'll be able to hear the speeds and know what's happening, and then the final turbo button. So watch this. Is that crazy? Now these are 1 to 3 inch rocks. These are not small rocks. This thing is strong. So anyway, let's take this out to the yard and see what it does on a full sidewalk. Because like what they're saying is that on the speed 1, it's supposed to last for 150 minutes. But then slower and slower, or less and less as you work your way up. And they're saying all the way on speed 6 plus the turbo button, you get 10 minutes. And so, of course, where everybody's just going to go straight for the turbo button. So that is the test we're going to be doing. Do we get 10 minutes on turbo? Let's go there now. Alrighty, so we got it all charged up again, and we are about to give it the longevity test. We have mowed and edged this yard with this ridiculous sidewalk, and it keeps going and going. I don't know how long it takes to blow it off, but we're about to find out. So let's do it. So as you can see, it's doing quite well, but I just now realized I wasn't hitting the turbo button. So let's do the turbo now. So there we go. It's a larger than normal driveway and sidewalk. And of course, it's not meant for commercial use, so you don't, it's not going to run all day. But for even a large driveway and sidewalk, it still has juice. Oh, there's an indicator on here. I wonder if I'm going to be able to film that. I cannot see my screen. There it is. Okay, so you have indicators for the A and B batteries. Let's see what we got. So A has 2 bars left, and B should have 2 bars left. Has 2 bars left. So it is halfway depleted. Right now, I don't know how much time we ran it, but it is, fully documented. I'll have it on the screen because I filmed the whole thing. Anyway, it certainly had a lot of longevity, a lot of power all the way through. I didn't notice it running out of power or slowing down, and it was no problem whatsoever. So let's bring it back to the truck and wrap this up. Okay, so I have reviewed the footage, and I can see that it was on and blowing for about 8.5 minutes, and about, a minute and 40 of that was on regular speed 6, and all the rest of it was on speed 6 and turbo. So, total about 8.5 minutes. Half the batteries are still left. It's enough to make me believe their claim that it will run 10 minutes on turbo. We just about did it. And that's it. It is as good as they say. It is extremely strong, very, very noticeably strong, and goes the whole distance. It's a great blower. So this company is fairly new to Amazon, so go check them out. I'll have a link to this exact product, and you can check out their whole Amazon store. And that wraps it up. All right, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for the next one.